Question number one. A story about the time you got lost at the forest and place you visited once. A. Expository. B. Factual recount. C. Narrative. D. Persuasive. Correct answer is letter C. That is narrative. Question number two. An essay that talks about the negative effects and dangers of illegal drugs to the youth. A. Expository. B. Narrative. C. Personal recount. D. Persuasive. The correct answer is letter A. Expository. Question number three. The historical background of a certain place. A. Explanatory. B. Expository. C. Narrative. D. Persuasive. Correct answer, that is letter B. Expository. Question number four. A letter of complaint to Barangay Captain explaining observation on people's non-compliance to the community quarantine's health protocol. A. Explanatory. B. Factual recount. C. Narrative. D. Persuasive. The correct answer is letter A. Explanatory. Question number five. The doctor discussed the important part of function of the human heart. A. Explanatory. B. Factual recount. C. Narrative. D. Persuasive. The correct answer is letter A. Explanatory. Question number six. An essay discussing the theme from Romeo and Juliet. A. Explanatory. B. Factual recount. C. Narrative. D. Persuasive. The correct answer is letter A. Explanatory. Question number seven. An article attempting to convince readers to conduct a rally for a cause. A. Expository. B. Factual recount. C. Narrative. D. Persuasive. The correct answer is letter D. Persuasive. Question number 8. The teacher retells her favorite fairy tale. Is that A. Expository. B. Explanatory. C. Factual recount. D. Narrative. The correct answer is letter D. Narrative. Question number 9. An article exposing the possible cause of COVID-19. A. Expository. B. Narrative. C. Personal recount. D. Persuasive. The correct answer is letter A. Expository. Question number 10. An advertisement which says visit Cleopas Stairways to Heaven and see the landscape of the city. A. Expository. B. Narrative. C. Personal recount. D. Persuasive. The correct answer is letter A. Expository. Question number 11. Which is not true of a purpose of statement? A. Realistic. B. Result-oriented. C. Specific. D. Varied. The correct answer is letter D. Varied. Question number 12. Your text cites 5 values shared by most Filipino citizens. Which is not one of them? A. Good citizenship. B. Materialism. B. Political views. D. Work ethics. The correct answer is letter B. Materialism. Question number 13. A predisposition to respond to something in a favorable or unfavorable way is A. Attitude, B. Belief, C. Demographic, D. Values. The correct answer is letter A. Attitude. Question number 14. Which of these is not a demographic factor in the delivery of self-composed speech? A. Age, B. Gender, C. Group memberships, D. Speech purpose. The correct answer is letter D. Speech purpose. Question number 15. The terms passers-by, captives, and volunteers are all referred to types of A. Audience, B. General purpose, C. Occasion, D. Speakers. The correct answer is letter A. Audiences. Number 16. Sound-related parts of the convenience incorporate to all following except A. Articulation, B. Gestures, B. Pitch, D. Volume. The correct answer is letter B. Gestures. Question number 17. Which of these could be used in researching a speech? A. Database, B. Periodicals, C. Websites, D. All of these could be used. The correct answer is letter D. All of these could be used. Question number 18. The gathering I will be addressing is to be attended by most Tandaganu's middle-class guy who have been fruitful in business. Most of young professionals are educated. Those announcements are commonplace statements from A. General purpose, B. Speaker analysis, A. Specific purpose, D. An audience analysis. The correct answer is letter D. An audience analysis. Question number 19. Reviving your interest is a good step to take when you are A. Analyzing the speaking situation, B. Analyzing the audience, C. Organizing your speech, D. Choosing a topic. Correct answer is letter D. Choosing a topic. Question number 10. In developing a speech, it is best to choose a topic. A. Which is commonly to you so that it will appear fresh. B. Where you are not really interested so you can empathize with the audience and develop their interest. C. That can be delayed so that you can spend so much time searching for a good topic. Or D. That interests you so that you can take it interesting for others. The correct answer is letter D. The interest you so that you can make it interesting to others.